What other colours would you like that car in? What other colours? Yeah, it'd be nice colours. Oh, that's a good reverse. Try to reverse it again. Yeah, reverse it. Yeah, good. That's how you do reverse, is it?
This is how I do it. This is how I go inside, and then I just go up.
It's a small remote, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's cool.
Actually, like,
It's not bad for $12.99. It's a mini one.
I can also get it so like you know the spinny wheels.
Yeah,
You know.
and the other remotes at home, the monster truck one. Yeah,
The
that's for the bigger one though.
black one.
Yeah, black remote control.
The circle and then like the button press up and down.
Okay,
But I press
try to go for it there.
Yeah, ready.
Oh, look.
Dad, I
Yo, I am.
Oh no.
Oh,
Dad,
I think it is. Okay, let's see if I can walk just as quick as I try to beat me. Oh, oh, he's gone. Yeah, try to keep it in between the lines.
I'm so close to it.
Oh, oh, he's out. Oh, oh, oh. It's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep it going. Try to keep it in between the white lines. It's really small, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Lamborghini, because that's the type of car it is. See the remote. What do you think of the remote?
Awesome. Oh no, it's
Oh, keep it in the lines. Keep it in the lines. Oh. Go. Oh, this one's not made for this. It'd be more of the monster trucks. Oh. I think the monster trucks have the wheels to go up these. Try it on the tarmac, the path. Oh, you did it. No. Oh. Oh, yeah, keep going. Oh, he's too... Oh. Oh. I did. Go on, try to put it down. See you. Oh. Oh, he's reversing. Oh.
I'd like to go home.
Oh. No. See. No, it's going to crash that way. Try go down this way, or the right or left. Okay, go for it. It crashed. Oh, it got back up.